What is up, guys? And today I have a quick video for you guys showing you guys how to get service information for your car. So let's jump right into it. First thing you're going to do is open up that Google. You're going to want to search alldataDIY.com. You don't have to put .com, we're in Google. It's going to be the first thing that comes up. If not, you can always do the www.alldataDIY.com in that address bar. You're going to want to click on that. It's going to take you to the home page, obviously. A lot of cool stuff here if you guys want to browse around on your own time. But again, we're going to go right into it to buy now. Whoa, what's this? We're going to have to pay for it. Yes, you're going to have to pay for it. Let's talk about it for a second. 1 year subscription, 30 bucks, right? If you add additional vehicles after that, 20 bucks. 5 years, 50 bucks. If you add additional vehicles, 35. Is this a lot? No, this is not a lot, especially for what you're getting. If you were expecting to get free service information, um, this is not the video for you. These 30 bucks, guys, let's face it, you're going to spend that on something really dumb and useless. Why not spend it to get some useful information for your car? And then just keep watching the video because I'll show you guys what it looks like once you do have the service information. Maybe that'll change the mind of some of you guys that are like, whoa, whoa, 30 bucks, no. But if you guys really want to know how to get free service information, let me know and I'll look into it and I'll try to make a video if I do find some decent, okay sources because I've actually never tried it. So this is what I use. You're going to go to select your vehicle now. And look, from 1982 all the way to 2017, and they're gonna have pretty much down the alphabet for car manufacturers. So from Acura all the way to a Volvo, and I've even seen a Yugo here, and I don't know what a Yugo is, but I've seen it. So if you have a Yugo, you can get service information for your car. So I'm gonna go to mine, 2008, and Mitsubishi Lancer. And pretty straightforward, like any other website. When you check something out, right, you're going to add to your cart. You're going to go to checkout. And this is if you have some sort of discount code. What I did notice when I had this window open in the past is that if you leave this open for a while, they think that you are leaving and they have this window that says leaving so soon and they offer you 10% off. So you can try and wait for that, see if they still do that or if that's going to come up. Or you can always Google some 10% off codes. I'm sure you'll be able to find them, but we're not going to do all that. You're going to do either 5 years or 12 months. We're going to do the 12 months. And after this, you're pretty much going to make a username and a password and put in some personal information. And the next page after this is going to be the actual checkout page where you're going to pay for it. So I already have my subscription. So if you already have a subscription, you go to that original first website. You're going to go to subscriber login, and this is where it's important to remember that username and that password you're going to make, because I did forget it my first time because I actually wasn't using this that much. I don't work on my car as often as I should. So once you log in, you're going to see your vehicles. I only have one, and that's my car. It's going to show you your expiration date. You can extend it at any time, or you can add additional vehicles at any time. Pretty straightforward, pretty easy, pretty user-friendly website, and even just navigating through the service information is pretty user-friendly. So I haven't been here in a while, so bear with me. Let's go from simple to complicated, right? So popular shortcuts, maintenance, diagnostics, technical service bulletins. So you have stuff on this side. So let's go to specifications. Let's go to specifications. Electrical specifications, mechanical, capacity, ooh, fluid type, right? Maybe a lot of you guys don't even know what engine oil you take, because I know on some used cars or some other cars, you might have a car and it might not say on your cap, right? So how do you know when you take it to Iffy Lube, I mean Jiffy Lube, or Valvoline or somewhere to get an oil change? Then how do you know they're using the right oil, right? Sometimes they don't put in the right oil that your car calls for, and you might have problems, especially with some of the newer cars. So if you have questions, this will pretty much answer those questions, you know. So let's go to engine oil. Simple, 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 right? Um, there you go. So pretty cool, right? Pretty cool. And then on the more complex end, we can come across all the way on this left side, and I don't know. Let's again, bear with me, guys. Power train management. Let's see what we have here. Ooh, fuel delivery and air induction, right? So, wow, look at all this, from all my fuel components to some relays to some gaskets to a whole bunch of different stuff. And then if you look at this side, there's also other good stuff like technical service bulletins, right? Recalls, things like that. Um, let's just do fuel pump relay, right? Testing and inspection. Cool. So it's going to show you where it's located, right? And it's going to show you cool things like how to test it right here, right? So you can always zoom in on these diagrams. So this is pretty neat because this is my fuel pump relay. So if I pull this out and I try to crank my engine, all it's going to do is crank. And that's useful for other tests, right? Where you just need to crank the engine, but you don't want it to start because you might be testing compression or something of that sort, right? So really cool, really neat. A lot of good stuff here, guys. I could go on and talk about it. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe this video for more cool videos like it. And and we out and we gone and we signing off and we out of here. And I don't know, you know. I need a unique sign off phrase. Let me know in the comments what a unique sign off phrase would work best.